So basically another Copperhead audio prototype. So, which is, you know, I want it to be a little bit different, sort of like the way Extant was. I mean, it's all the same shit, but it's a little different. It looks different. It has the appearance of being different, and so that's what I was going for on this one. Really thick top plate. I think that's a 30 millimeter top plate, and then the TC9. Hold on. Where is it? There it is. There you go. The appearance, or what was it? Dual 3/4 inch slugs, which is what the TC9 has, but then a thicker top plate. So I could have done a triple stack, but I've done that before. So I was like, let me try something different. You know, like sometimes you want to just have sex with a little person. Especially, what's her name? I'll put a link to her on in the description. She's on Instagram. She got them big old boobies, man. It's weird. It's almost like she's like a woman under 14, 15, 16 years old, but yet she's got some double D's. That's disgusting. I'm gonna go get the vomit out of my penis. Make sure it gets off the internet. Because I got hurt. FS 31.63, QTS 0.3939. Let's measure the VAS. VAS is it's 378, but we'll round up to 1.4 because it'll grow over time, and then the FS will shrink over time. FS will go down about 31 hertz. So that's it. And that's the dual 2 copper coil TC9. American made, not that it makes a difference, but get out of here, B. Leave me alone. That's it. Copperhead audio, and let's go look at a toddler with big fake tits. Sounds good.